Changes in the body after quitting smoking. Smoking can cause many diseases by disrupting the functioning of the human body. In particular, the risk of developing serious diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases is higher in smokers. In addition, an individual who has smoked for many years may have a higher risk of death than non-smokers. Although these negative conditions for the body are an incentive to quit smoking, some individuals may have difficulty quitting smoking due to withdrawal symptoms. Especially nervousness, fatigue, headache and intense nicotine craving are some of the side effects seen. Although it is difficult to quit smoking, it is necessary for the continuity of physical and mental health. After quitting smoking, various changes can be seen in the body. You can read the rest of the article to examine these changes more closely. Effects of quitting smoking on the body. After quitting smoking, the body enters the recovery process quickly. Although quitting smoking can be difficult, these withdrawal symptoms will often decrease after a few weeks. In general, the changes in the body after quitting smoking can be listed as follows. Breaking the addiction. Within a few months after quitting smoking, the nicotine receptors in the brain return to normal and the addiction ends. Improvement in blood circulation. Within 2 to 12 weeks after quitting smoking, blood circulation returns to normal and the risk of cardiovascular diseases decreases. In addition, physical activity becomes easier and the person can gain a more energetic structure. In this process, the lungs expel mucus and other harmful substances from cigarettes and the body is cleansed of nicotine. Improvement of taste and smell. Smoking causes loss of taste and smell by causing damage to the nerve endings on the tongue and nose. However, damaged nerve endings are repaired 48 hours after quitting smoking. Therefore, quitting smoking can help improve the senses of taste and smell. Feeling more energetic. There may be an increase in breathing capacity after quitting smoking. Therefore, as the amount of oxygen in the blood increases, it can help the person feel more energetic and vigorous. Restoring the immune system. Quitting smoking improves blood circulation and increases oxygen levels. It also reduces inflammation. All of these can help strengthen the immune system, making it easier to fight other diseases. Improved oral hygiene. Smoking makes teeth yellow and can cause bad breath. In addition, it can lead to deterioration of oral hygiene and increase the risk of developing an infection in the mouth. Within 1 week after quitting smoking, oral hygiene increases and a noticeable relief can be felt. Improvement in sexual life. Smoking can cause problems in sexual life by causing low sexual performance. It may cause a decrease in orgasm frequency, especially in men, by increasing the risk of erectile dysfunction. Smoking can lead to sexual disorders such as decreased genital lubrication in women. Reduced risk of cancer. Smoking can increase the risk of developing cancer in the body by impairing cardiovascular health. However, within a few years after quitting smoking, the risk of developing cancer may decrease. Cancer types whose risk of development decreases after quitting smoking can be listed as follows. Esophageal cancer, pancreatic cancer, lung cancer, cervical cancer, bladder cancer, mouth and throat cancer, kidney cancer. Withdrawal symptoms after quitting smoking. Quitting smoking can be difficult for some individuals. Withdrawal symptoms, especially in the first period, may cause individuals to return to smoking again. Most people can feel like they have the flu while going through the withdrawal process. The reason they feel this way is because smoking affects every system in the body in general. Since every system in the body becomes dependent on the nicotine in the cigarette, the body must get used to not taking nicotine when quitting smoking. Although the side effects seen after quitting smoking can be difficult for individuals, it is important to know that they are temporary. In this way, you can be more stable and durable. In general, the side effects seen after quitting smoking can be listed as follows. Headache and nausea. Smoking can affect all systems in the body. Therefore, the nicotine that leaves the body when you quit smoking can cause headaches, nausea, and other physical symptoms. Tingling in hands and feet. Improvement in blood circulation is seen after quitting smoking. Improved blood circulation can also cause a tingling sensation in the hands and feet. Cough and sore throat. After quitting smoking, the lungs begin to clear mucus and other residues left by smoking. This can lead to cough and sore throat. Increased appetite and consequent increase in weight. After quitting smoking, there may be an increase in energy in the body. An increase in appetite can be seen with increased energy level. In particular, some individuals start to consume food instead of cigarettes to get rid of the habit of smoking. As a result, the individual may gain weight. Intense nicotine craving. After starting to smoke, the body becomes dependent on nicotine. Therefore, an intense nicotine craving may be felt in the days after quitting smoking. Especially 2 to 4 weeks after quitting, this craving can peak. Nervousness, anger, and other mood changes. When smoking, the body undergoes a major change in the smoking cessation process, as it becomes addicted to it. Changes in mood can occur as the mind and body adapt to this change. It can cause intense nervousness and tension, especially at first. Constipation. Nicotine also affects the small and large intestines. Because the body is accustomed to taking nicotine, when nicotine is discontinued, the intestines can react to it, leading to the development of constipation. Anxiety, depression and insomnia. Smokers often increase the amount of smoking when they feel nervous. However, although the cause is unknown, the likelihood of anxiety and depression increases in smokers. Also, because the body becomes addicted to nicotine, quitting smoking can cause general anxiety and tension. Insomnia is also among the common symptoms, as a nervous individual will also have difficulty falling asleep. For individuals trying to quit smoking, depression is a serious condition and can lead to more serious problems if not controlled. Therefore, depressed individuals can get through this process more easily by getting help from a therapist or doctor. Some alternative treatments that the doctor will recommend to the patient can be listed as follows: St. John's wort, omega-3 fatty acids, acupuncture,
meditation,
massage, difficulty concentrating. In the process of quitting smoking, the individual may experience focus and concentration problems. Dry mouth. Conditions such as stress and anxiety experienced during the smoking cessation process can increase dry mouth. Smoking cessation timeline. A chart of the changes that occur in the body after quitting smoking can generally be given as follows. After 20 minutes, a decrease in heart rate is observed. After 18 to 12 hours, the amount of carbon monoxide in the blood decreases. A more developed sense of taste and smell after 48 hours. Lower risk of heart attack after 2 weeks to 3 months. After 1 to 9 months, there is a decrease in shortness of breath and cough. After 1 year, the risk of cardiovascular disease is halved. Lower stroke risk after 5 years. After 10 years, the risk of lung cancer is the same as someone who has never smoked. After 15 years, the risk of developing heart disease is the same as someone who has never smoked. An individual who wants to quit smoking can get through this process more easily by consulting a doctor or therapist. Tackling quitting smoking alone can be difficult. Some individuals may resume smoking after a short time due to withdrawal symptoms. In order to complete this process successfully and consistently, you can consult your doctor when you decide to quit smoking. The doctor can help you with this and prescribe various alternative medicines to help you get through this process more easily.